Command. We would like to welcome you again to the Borden Canadian Armed Forces Day and Air Show. I'm the A-10 Demo Team NCO in charge, Technical Sergeant Brian Pontes from San Leandro, California. Joining me on stage, our safety officer in combat crew in the cat pilot, Captain Joel Hayden Russo from Puyallup, Washington. As a member of Air Combat Command 355th Wing, located at Davis Montman Air Force Base in Tucson, Arizona, it is my pleasure to describe for you a capability demonstration by the heavily feared and highly respected close air support aircraft, the A-10 Thunderbolt II. A-10 Thunderbolt II!
Lançant la piste directement à la verticale, mettant en valeur la puissance et la manœuvrabilité de Warthog dans toutes les attitudes de vol.
Major Bowman's now positioning the A-10 for a pass down the show line. We'll here perform a double aileron roll. The Hog's ailerons make up almost half the size of its wing, enabling it unparalleled controllability at slower speeds. From the left, Major Fulham and the Gator Roll.
Le long de la ligne de vol, avec une savoir la précision que deux enseignants leur marque à ton pilote. Alors qu'ils sautent dans la tour pour remarquer la pause verrière sur le vent de l'avion. Cette pause verrière est construite pour sauver les groupes terrestres ennemis en utilisant une barrière planée de distance de 1200 livres, surnommée la baignoire, protégeant le pilote des tirs terrestres ennemis. Et maintenant, le bandeau.
Getting stuff together.
Major Bowman is now executing a classic aerobatic maneuver, the Cubanate. It's the A-10's remarkable maneuverability that enables it to perform its close air support mission, twisting and turning well over the battlefield. The Warthog can operate and deliver devastating firepower under a 1,000-foot ceiling, unmatched. Major Bowman is now repositioning his aircraft to perform a level 360-degree high-G turn. It's the A-10's quick turn rate and small turn radius, which enable it to work effectively over the battlefield, even under marginal weather conditions. On the battlefield, this capability enables the Warthog to turn quickly and evade any airspace.
Le Major Fulham confirme maintenant son avion pour nous démontrer la manœuvrabilité de son opérateur sur la piste, même à basse vitesse. Il faudra que son champ rayeux soit la vitesse d'approche finale lors de l'atterrissage. Préparez vos caméras. Ce passage à 17 ans vous donnera de bonnes chances de voir les moteurs à haute et la conception fluide de la queue de l'avion. Ces caractéristiques distinctives lui permettent de marquer la navigation versus les moteurs, aidant les pilotes à vaincre les missiles infrarouges.
Let's go to the cockpit of the A-10 to do a major roll at the wheel.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm at the A-10 Demo Team. Thank you all for hosting CFP Borden for hosting this awesome event for us. And for hosting Canada for hosting these great supporters up here. I'm free as off there, but up here, just like we're so right at
Don't put those cameras down yet. The A-10 is the premier close air support aircraft supporting our ground forces engaged with the enemy. Listen now as we pass Major Full, a close air support target brief, known simply as a 9-line. This will demonstrate the Hog's ability to find, target, and finally engage enemy forces.
Que 30 secondes au major pour s'en mettre en position cible. Avec deux Hawks travaillant ensemble, les forces ennemies pourraient être utilisées à toutes les 10 à 15 secondes.
Final attack, and he'll simulate dropping 500-pound bombs. These general-purpose bombs are useful for cratering airfields or destroying buildings, adding versatility to the Hog's arsenal of weapons.
Qu'on appelle le Tick-Out, est un homme tridimensionnel en constante évolution qui rend très difficile de tirs anti-aériens ennemis. Le Warthog a été construit pour résister à n'importe quel combat, tout en ayant la capacité de voler, même avec un seul moteur qui sert total de sa puissance hydraulique.
The A-10 has a well-known reputation for strength and striking power, a reputation earned in multiple deployments, where Hogs destroyed numerous enemy armored vehicles, artillery sites, jet missiles, and was even credited with 2 air-to-air kills. Today, the upgraded A-10C continues to set the standard for supporting Allied forces in today's fight. Now, throw it away. Major Full and 4-point roll. Thank those who have given their lives in defense of their country and all of their families who have sacrificed so much. The United States Air Force's Air Combat Command provides the essential combat air support capability for today's joint fight. The A-10 has consistently demonstrated its ability to fly more than 4 sorties per day, a tribute to the skill and dedication of our magnificent maintenance team, and all of those today's demo from Lawrenceville, Georgia, Staff Sergeant Robbie Benson. From New Iberia, Louisiana, Airman Corey Queer. And from Merced, California, Staff Sergeant Tristan Salyers. And joining us from Public Affairs, from Montgomery, Alabama, Airman Kate Hughes. We hope you've enjoyed this brief display.